Kanos! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Maiko Arangesto. And for today's episode 30, mga must-try new drinks by Tsaa't Gatas and mukbang by Pizza. Tsaa't Gatas and Pizza is located at Zone 2A, Barangay Balabago, Jaro, Iloilo City. They're open every Monday to Saturday starting 10:30 a.m. until 5 p.m. and close on Sunday. And they're also available for Food Panda delivery. And for their full list of menus, I'll be providing description down below. And this episode is sponsored by Tsaa't Gatas and Pizza. Disclaimer lang po, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. Hi there mga Anos! So here new drinks by Tsaa't Gatas and Pizza. They also have this homemade chili sauce. So let's start! Excited na ako kasi first time ko matry yung pizza nila at the same time yung new products ng Tsaa't Gatas. This is their beef and broccoli pizza for 210 pesos. So for this pizza, meron na siyang kasamang banana ketchup at yung homemade chili sauce nila. Sobrang sarap niya. Yung cheese, yung broccoli, at the same time yung beef. Sobrang lambot siya. At first time ko talaga mag-try yung pizza, especially broccoli. Tapos ito yung kanilang homemade chili sauce. Napakasarap kasi yung herbs dito sa pizza, nag-well complement siya sa homemade chili sauce and banana ketchup. Sobrang sarap niya. Perfect combo talaga siya. Yung dough ng pizza nila, okay naman siya sa akin kasi very easy to eat. And by the way, ito po yung isa sa mga bestseller nila when it comes sa pizza. So next product natin is yung new drinks by Tsaa't Gatas. For our first drink, use their lemonade for 22 ounce, 85 pesos. Sobrang sulit ka na kasi yung lemon slices niya, dalawa. At the same time, yung zest, yung fresh lemonade, yung extract, yung tangy feel for its lemonade, on point siya. Wala akong nalasahan na artificial flavor or yung sweeteners nila. And Tsaa't Gatas uses their natural and pure fruits for this product. Our next drink, their beer tea for 22 ounce, 85 pesos. First time ko to itry yung beer tea. Available siya sa mga special events nila here in Iloilo City. So watch out sa Facebook page nila sa upcoming events kasi i-feature talaga nila itong beer tea. Medyo curious ako at the same time excited. So tingnan natin kung pasok sa lasa natin. So naamoy ko na yung beer essence niya. Tapos next day naman sa akin ng owner na yung beer content niya is nasa 5% lang. Ang sarap. Ang galing. Aftertaste na lang yung beer niya. Pero ma-appreciate mo yung tea essence niya. Hindi ko na-expect yung beer at the same time yung tea essence mag-well complement for this amazing drink. Kaya pala bestseller to sa mga events na feature nila for this beer tea. Okay, for rating mga Anos, for beef and broccoli pizza with homemade chili sauce, I'll give this perfect 10. Lemonade, I'll give this perfect 10. For beer tea, I'll give this perfect 10. This is my fourth time na i-feature ko yung Tsaa't Gatas. First time ko talaga matry yung pizza nila by Pizza. Appreciate mo talaga yung taste ng pizza nila kasi it's homemade. Tapos na-dip nyo dito sa homemade chili sauce. Sobrang solid yung quality for this pizza. For their new drinks, for lemonade, ito pure lemonade. Yung matitikman mo, it's a refreshing at the same time a healthy drink who are looking for a healthy option. And last but not the least, si beer tea. Ito, finally na-try ko na yung beer tea nila. It well complements their content and for their volume. Sobrang sarap. So once again, thank you so much Tsaa't Gatas and Pizza for this amazing product, especially for trusting Drinking Nose to feature your bestseller at the same time your new products. So Tsaa't Gatas and Pizza maintains our good service, good quality of products, budget-friendly, very accommodating baristas and owners, and a certified Drinking Nose approved. Thank you so much, Tsaa't Gatas and Pizza, and congratulations! Thank you for watching mga nos. If you like this video, please do like and share it to one friends. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more updates and latest happenings for my Drinking Nose channel. This has been your barista, Michael Brian Jesso saying, keep safe and bye!